People spent years saying Cardano was finished, but while everyone was looking elsewhere, the network kept building. Now, Cardano is suddenly back in focus. Cardano is now connected to Injective through a live IBC testnet, while the Leios upgrade aims to make the network significantly faster and more scalable. With Cardano's recent surge, is this just another little flurry or the beginning of Cardano's biggest comeback in years? GM everyone, welcome back to Coincheck. This is Abhishek and you're watching T.O TV. For a long time, many people call Cardano a blockchain with great technology but slow progress. Now, that narrative may finally be changing. The network has launched its Leios public testnet, governance is becoming fully community-driven, developers remaining among the most active in crypto, and Cardano has just achieved a major interoperability milestone with Injective. At the same time, ADA is beginning to recover after months of heavy selling. So today, let's understand what Cardano is, why everyone is suddenly talking about it again, and whether this could finally be the start of a bigger comeback. So what exactly is Cardano? So Cardano is a layer 1 blockchain similar to Ethereum and Solana. Its goal is simple: allow people to build decentralized applications, move money, create tokens, run smart contracts without relying on banks or centralized companies. Its native cryptocurrency is ADA or ADA. ADA is used to pay transaction fees, secure the network through staking, and vote on future upgrades. So what's the fundamentals? What's been happening with Cardano? Why should you be paying attention to it? So number one, Leios could be Cardano's biggest upgrade yet, because think of Leios like adding extra lanes to a highway. Today, if too many transactions happen at once, blockchains can slow down. Leios is designed to let Cardano process far more transactions while keeping the network secure and decentralized. The Leios public testnet is now live, allowing developers to test this technology before it eventually reaches mainnet. Number two, Cardano is entering a new governance era. So another major change is governance. Instead of the founding company making every important decision, Cardano token holders or the coin holders now have a much greater control over the future of the network. Recent upgrades have moved Cardano further into the Voltaire governance era, where the community can vote on treasury spending, protocol upgrades, and long-term development. Number three, Cardano and Injective are connected. It's one of the biggest decentralized line from Injective Cardano, because they're now connected through a live IBC testnet. So in simple words, assets from one blockchain will eventually be able to move to other blockchain much more naturally. And that means ADA tokens can eventually be used inside the Injective ecosystem and vice versa. So number four, developers never really left, because recent development dashboards rank Cardano among the most active blockchain ecosystems, second only to Ethereum in 30-day developer activity. At the same time, work continues across Hydra scaling, Mrithil upgrades, Catalyst funding, Pipe network integration. So there's a lot of factors that are happening around Cardano. Number five, whales are buying while retail stays away. One of the most interesting on-chain trends is what Santiment recently highlighted. So Cardano's price has recovered, but the number of wallets holding ADA has actually fallen. Fewer wallets and higher prices may suggest that larger investors may be accumulating, while many retail investors still remain cautious. That doesn't guarantee higher prices, but it does create an interesting accumulation narrative. So if you look at the price of Cardano, it trades around $0.194. The market cap sits at $7.25 million. In the last 24 hours, we've seen $680 million worth of trading volume. Now we'll move on to a technical analysis. If you look at the chart on the screen, the primary entry sits at $0.19. You can add more at 0.16. A stop loss below 0.14. We've got three targets. First target sits at 0.24. Second target sits at 0.3, and a longer term target of $0.4. So what's the verdict? Cardano isn't leading because of hype. It's leading because development is finally improving market sentiment. If Leios delivers, governance continues to mature, and cross-chain adoption grows, ADA could be entering a new chapter. But real adoption, not just upgrades, will decide whether this recovery has staying power. So that marks an end towards our today's Coincheck episode. Remember, this is not financial advice. Please consult a financial advisor before making any financial decisions, as crypto is a highly risky and volatile-driven market. Thank you for watching T.O TV. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be updated with the latest news and events happening in the Web3 space. I'll catch you guys again on my next Coincheck episode on Friday. Goodbye for now. Happy trading.